What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. So I made my jig to lay out my shooting targets. And as you see, I got it clamped down on both sides, so that way you know it's tight when you setting everything up. And the jig is made so that way you can tack everything up, take it out, bring it to the other assembly part, which this ain't it, but just say this is what it will come over here and then we'll weld it out. But I'm actually welding it out on the side at the moment. But I'm just saying, if I had a little small assembly, tag it up here, weld it out there, tag them up here, weld them out there, you know what I mean, to keep it going. So right now that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna break this down for you real quick just to kind of show you how I did it, and I made sure that it was what I needed, because I had to tweak it a couple times. So as you see, I got two pieces sitting up here. That's to jack up the top of the rod to keep it level across. You know, because I'm adding like an 1/8" thick piece of pipe. So this is the front. And as you see, I got these on there to keep my bars tight to the rail. So, and this is the dimensions that it need to keep at all times, which is 18 inches across. So that's how I did that. And when it's all said and done, this is how it looks as far as the top part. I still got the bar to put across here, which that's the easy part. So I use these here that I got cut up to make them. It's pretty simple. So I got to put my bar across here to keep everything tight, but this is pretty much how it looks, so that way you'll know. It comes apart like that. See? You disassemble it like that. That's how you do it. All gone.